Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here with your evening recap for Wednesday night, April the 2nd, 2014. Okay, um, the Bulls just grinded higher. They established lows here at 76, again at 78, closed it, not on all-time highs for the continuation contract, 86 quarter. All-time highs are up at 87.5. So here's what I'm looking at going into tonight. Non-farm payrolls are in 2 days. I am still in the camp of we get one decent move down, probably into the area of now testing the 76 area and getting some matching lows down there before your typical walk up into jobs. So we've played around on both sides today, long and short. We did pretty well on the short from last night. And, try not to get chopped up today. But, the majority of the day, you really found yourself in this area fighting that chop. And as you get out on the daily chart, you've got a situation where the bands are still pretty tight. Let me zoom it out. Bands are tight, and they've been tight for a while. We've now bounced for 5 days from the lower band to the upper band. Essentially, it's right now it's 87.09. We trade 86.5. It's really close enough for a touch. So we've done lower band to upper band. So one of two things happens here. We retreat to the middle band, or you see these bands expand and we go on a band ride. And depending on how tomorrow and Friday go, that's going to be the determining factor. Friday morning will be the catalyst. So for tomorrow, if we're on a band ride, what you want to see is you want to see some retracement overnight. You want to see a morning dip, maybe even getting into lunchtime, and you want to see that dip come in and get bought and then run it back up to the upper band. That lets you know that we are most likely in an upper band ride, at least for tomorrow. If we get into Friday and the reaction to the non-farm payroll is rejection, then you will probably see within a couple of days a move back to at least 1860. But as it stands right now, the Bulls have a clear advantage. I'm still not a big fan of walking straight up to Friday morning without any kind of a decent down for things to reset themselves a little bit. And matching lows in the 76 area are a pretty decent candidate. Trading down to the 72, 73 area from a bullish perspective is even better. If you're a bull, you want nothing more than a 10-handle sell-off. A lot of bears, I think a lot of big bears, secretly don't want it to go down between now and 8:30 because it would be very, very easy to pick off at that point unless the jobs report absolutely blows the doors off. So there's some very interesting dynamics going on the next couple of days. Okay, have a fantastic day. Follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. I didn't tweet much today. Today was kind of a crazy day, so we'll be back with the usual stuff, charts, etc. tomorrow. And we'll be out in the morning with a pre-market webcast. Trade them well, everybody. See you then.